Welcome back to the Form Manager training playlist. In this video, we're going to learn about adding web forms to the site. If we need to add a web form, we have two options. We can either edit an existing web form or make a new one. If we already have a form on our website that fits most of our needs, but we need to make some extra changes to it, then we can do that by just editing the existing web form. To do this, we're going to click on Build next to the entry that we want to change. For this example, we are going to use the Contact Us form. This will bring us to the editing interface where we can see all the questions that the web form currently has. While we're here, we can click Edit on any of these elements that currently exist to modify them. Or we can add elements to the web form that will add some more functionality to it. If we want to add a new web form, we'll have to go back to the Structure tab and then click on the Web Forms link. Above the listing of all the web forms on our site, there's a button that says Add Web Form. We're going to click this button, and once we do that, we'll see a new screen pop up that will have four options for us. First things first, we're going to need to enter a title here. For this one, we're just going to type in New Web Form. Next, we'll notice two optional fields here, which will be the administrative description and category. The first one, the administrative description, is a short 5 to 10 word description about the purpose of the web form. And since this is an example, we'll go ahead and enter a practice web form for training purposes. Under category, we can specify an existing categorization for the web form. On this site, we have General, Practice, or Test. If the web form doesn't fit any of these categories, we can also add a new one by clicking on Other. Then we'll add the new categorization to the field. For this, we'll just go ahead and make it New Category. And just a reminder, the administrative description and the category are both optional fields. This means we don't have to use them, but it can make organizing our web forms a lot easier, especially if we happen to have a lot of them on our website. And our final option here is the status of the form. And now we can save our work by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now that we've made a new web form, this lets us start with a blank slate. And in the next video, we're going to learn about all of the elements a web form has.